Hi, I'm Jagori, roll number 21MT10021, Section 8. And today I'm going to do the assembly disassembly of this electric iron. So, switch it on. We see that this light indicator is on, which means the iron is in working condition. So before disassembling it, I'll point out the outer parts of the iron. So this is called the sole plate. This is the outer body, the vertical cord, the fabric adjusting dial, and the signal light. So now if we come to the components, the circuit and the working of this iron, this upper plate made up of plastic is given so that the heat does not emanate out of this heating element and reaches our hand. So this is a light which is connected in parallel to the heating element, which lights up when the iron is switched on. So there are, we can see two wires over here. This white one is the phase wire and this is the neutral wire. So now if we come to the inside of the iron, so first let me take you through the connection. So as you can see, the phase wire first enters into a thermostat, and the thermostat basically regulates the temperature, the maximum temperature that can pass through the heating element, and then from here it goes out and enters the heating element. Then the current passes through this, and then it comes out through the neutral wire. So the heating element is made up of nichrome wire and the outer surface is made up of mica, and it gets heated up according to the formula H is equal to I square RT. So coming to the thermostat, this is the regulator which is connected to a screw. So this basically decides how much heat is required to break the connection. So we'll come to that later, how the bimetallic strip is actually used to break the connection and thus cooling off the iron and then bends back to original shape. So now let's focus on the working of the bimetallic strip, which is the most important part of the working of the iron. So it is basically used to cut off the current supply when it reaches a maximum temperature limit. So bimetallic strip is made up of two metals having a different coefficient of linear expansion when heated, and when it is heated it actually starts bending towards the metal having lesser thermal expansion. So as we start heating the bimetallic strip, it kind of lifts off this portion. So when it heats up, it starts to lift off and you can hear the clicking sound. So this comes when the circuit is disconnected or connected back. I think this, yeah. You can see how it is being connected and disconnected, how the plate is being lifted and put down. Now we'll assemble the iron back. So I've already inserted this. So I've been able to put together this iron. So now we'll plug it in and check if it's working. So as we can see, as the switch is on, the light has turned on, which implies that the iron has been restored back to working condition. So that's all for the DIY assignment 3. Thank you.